Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. Samsung just changed the game with the Galaxy S25 Edge, the thinnest, smartest and most futuristic Galaxy phone ever. Let's break it down. The Galaxy S25 Edge is ultra slim at just 5.8 thick, making it one of the sleekest phones ever made. It features a stunning 6.7-inch QHD+ AMOLED Edge display with 120Hz refresh rate, curved on both sides for that premium Edge feel, just like the classic Galaxy S6 Edge, but reimagined for 2025. Under the hood, you get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite or Exynos 2500, depending on your region, paired with up to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. It's lightning fast for gaming, multitasking, or AI features built into One UI 7.5. Samsung's pushing limits with a 200 manias main camera, a 50 ultra-wide and a 12 manias 5 telephoto lens. The selfies, a crispy 32 front camera, nightography, AI-enhanced portraits, and real-time video optimization are now smarter than ever. Even with the slim build, Samsung packed a 4,500 mAh battery with 65-watt fast charging and 25-watt wireless. You also get an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, Wi-Fi 7 and IP68 water resistance. The Galaxy S25 Edge launched on May 30th, 2025, starting at around $999. Available in space black, pearl silver, and emerald blue, it's a design-first phone with powerhouse features, and it's setting the bar for 2025. Like, share and subscribe for the latest on smartphones, tech news and hands-on impressions, only here on NextechUs.